Breaking news tonight, the nation's most common abortion medication will remain available.
The Supreme Court deciding to preserve access to mifepristone earlier this evening. WGN's Jenna Barnes is here to explain the ruling. Jenna?
Yeah, guys, this is a for now decision. There were conflicting rulings in lower courts, so the Supreme Court decided to keep access to mifepristone as is while the legal wrangling over the drug gets figured out. Hours before its self-imposed midnight deadline, the Supreme Court preserved access to the widely used abortion pill mifepristone in a 7-2 decision as a legal fight plays out in the lower courts. The Biden administration is appealing a Texas judge's ruling that revoked the FDA's approval of the drug. An appeals court said the FDA approval could stand for now, but with restrictions on access to mifepristone. Friday night, the Supreme Court rejected those restrictions, leaving full access in place while the appeals process continues.
And this really is the most normal thing that has happened during this litigation process thus far. The district court's ruling that got this whole thing started, holding that Miffy was unlawfully approved, was very weird in a lot of ways. The appellate court's decision to uphold it was very weird in a lot of ways. And here we have a 7-2 holding for a status quo of relative normalcy.
Praise for the decision from Democrats pouring in. President Joe Biden saying in a statement, "I continue to stand by FDA's evidence-based approval of mifepristone, and my administration will continue to defend FDA's independent, expert authority to review, approve, and regulate a wide range of prescription drugs." Governor J.B. Pritzker saying the justices have recognized that this safe, tested drug should continue to be available to provide the gold standard of reproductive care and not be restricted based on a single ruling by an ideologically motivated judge. And Chicago Mayor-elect Brandon Johnson adding, mifepristone is healthcare, and healthcare is a human right. Chicago will continue to support and defend the right to choose. Our city will always be a safe haven for those seeking reproductive care. But political observers say the ultimate outcome of this case could have ramifications that extend beyond abortion.
The questioning of a federal agency and its legitimacy to do its job is something that we should be concerned about. And quite honestly, not just concerned about this particular drug, but this questions the FDA's legitimacy to regulate any kind of drug.
We're also hearing from the anti-abortion group that brought the original case. A lawyer for the Alliance Defending Freedom says it's common practice for the Supreme Court to maintain the status quo while a challenge plays out in court. The federal appeals court hearing this case has set arguments for May 17th. And guys, it is likely whichever side loses that will appeal this right back to the Supreme Court.
Absolutely.
Very drawn out. All right,
Sure
Jenna,
is.
thanks.